This is the crumbled blueberry cheesecake. The cake is being topped up with crumbs and blueberry, making it a healthier cheesecake. There are 3 layers. First, for the crumbs, add in almond powder and cake flour, sugar, salt, butter, and blend it well. Put the crumbs into the fridge. For the base, blend digestive biscuits, add melted butter, and blend it well. Layer the base on the cake pan. Now we have to bake the batter. Add the cream cheese, mascarpone cheese, sugar, 2 eggs, and mix it well. Add milk, and flour. Add lemon and transfer the batter into the cake pan. There are 2 steps in baking. First, you have to bake it for 10 minutes. After that, we have to remove it and add a layer of blueberry and crumbs. After that, you have to continue to bake the cake. Once the cake is ready, remove the cake from the oven and put it in the fridge overnight. The next day, you can start to enjoy the cake. I hope that you enjoyed this healthy no cream cheesecake. If you did, please remember to subscribe and like this video.